Imagine stepping into the wilderness for the first time, the thrill of adventure mixed with a hint of uncertainty. This is your ultimate guide to making that first camping trip unforgettable. Before you even pack your bags, research is key. Find the perfect camping spot within your travel range and keep an eye on the weather forecast. Choosing the right campsite can make or break your experience. Do you want to be deep in the woods or closer to civilization with amenities like showers? Consider how far you're willing to walk to your campsite. Some spots allow parking right at the site, while others require a hike. Think about the activities you want to enjoy. Whether it's fishing, kayaking, or just relaxing, pick a spot that offers what you love. Ever heard of glamping? It's camping with a touch of luxury, combining the great outdoors with the comforts of a 5-star hotel. When packing, balance is crucial. Bring what you need, but avoid overpacking. Essentials include a tent, sleeping gear, and cooking equipment. Don't forget your lighting. Headlamps and flashlights are a must, and having extra lighting around your campsite can be very helpful. Safety first. A well-stocked first aid kit, insect repellent, and sunscreen are non-negotiable items. Pack clothing suitable for the climate and weather conditions. From t-shirts and shorts to sweatshirts and boots, be prepared. A good backpack can make all the difference. Look for one with compartments and straps that distribute weight evenly. While not essential, a comfortable camping chair can enhance your experience. Look for features like cup holders and footrests. If rain is in the forecast, pack accordingly. A waterproof tent, raincoat, and umbrella can keep you dry and comfortable. Wildlife encounters can be thrilling but also dangerous. Keep food in animal-proof containers and consider carrying bear spray. Inspect and test your equipment before you leave. The last thing you want is to find out something is broken or missing at the campsite. Cooking can be one of the most enjoyable parts of camping. Bring the right equipment and plan your meals ahead of time. Some campsites have grills, but a portable grill or camp stove can be a great alternative. Cooking over a campfire is also a fun option. Popular camping foods include soups, chilies, grilled meats, and even vegetarian options like vegetable kebabs. Dutch ovens are versatile and perfect for cooking meals like soups and chili over a campfire. Clean water is essential. Bring water bottles, jugs, or use survival straws and bottle filters to ensure you have enough potable water. Arriving at your campsite is exhilarating. Take a moment to soak in your surroundings and plan where to set up your tent and fire. Set up your tent first to get your gear out of the elements. Choose a spot that won't flood and is free of bugs. Store your food and drinks safely, ideally in your vehicle or animal-proof containers. Collect enough wood for your campfire. If it's getting dark, gather enough to last through the evening. Building a campfire can be challenging but rewarding. Follow our tips to make it easier and safer. Once your camp is set up, it's time to relax and enjoy. Whether it's hiking, swimming, or just lounging, make the most of your time. Keep plenty of clean water, insect repellent, and sunscreen on hand to stay comfortable and safe. Before leaving your campsite, do a quick cleanup to ensure wildlife doesn't get into your trash or food. When it's time to pack up, make sure to leave no trace. Collect all your equipment and trash. Extinguish your campfire completely using water, sand, or dirt to prevent any risk of it reigniting. Clean and store your gear properly when you get home. This will extend its life and ensure it's ready for your next adventure. Camping is an incredible experience, especially for beginners. Follow these tips, and you'll be ready for an amazing outdoor adventure. Happy camping!